Previously in Nora G's Nook, I showed you all how I made this beautiful glam rotating vanity tray for perfume display. You could use this for other items besides perfume. So I use items from the Dollar Tree and also from Amazon to make this beautiful tray. So if you haven't watched this video yet, you may want to check it out right after this video. For today's video, show reel. Hello, welcome back again to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Nora G, and today's video is going to be straight to the point because of course it is an super easy Dollar Tree DIY wall art. But first, I would love it if you can hit that subscribe button and join my family if you are new here. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. So like you've seen on the screen, all you would need for this DIY will be 10 8x10 picture frames from the Dollar Tree and 2 4x6 frames as well. And also this mirror which I got from Ikea for $1.49. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into making this. First things first, ripping out the frames. So I will not be using the glasses for this. I need just the frames for this DIY. This is a very popular DIY. There are different takes on this, and you can actually put your own twist on this DIY when you do try it. If you want to create exactly what I made, go for it. So I traveled out of the country to spend the Easter with my sister and her family, and I decided to make this beautiful wall art for her guest room. Okay, she was very pleased with it, and I was glad I was able to capture this to share with you all on the channel. For this wall art, I will be making 2 identical wall art using 5 frames each, alright, and then 1 small frame at the center, as you would see. So even though I will be using hot glue to put this together, I do recommend you reinforcing this with E6000 glue or Gorilla Glue for long lasting effect. Yeah, I know this is a very short video, however, it is the tradition on Nora G's Nook, okay? So we are at that point. I would love it if you can comment frames in the comment section and show your girls some love, because I would love to know your thoughts about this simple Dollar Tree DIY in the comments section. Actually, I do have quite a number of Dollar Tree frames DIYs planned on the channel, so do let me know in the comments section if DIYs with Dollar Tree frames is your thing and what you would love to see. For the 4x6 frame, I actually inserted the mirror into it and kept the white area on there just because I felt it added a little bit more pop. And so I will go ahead to create the second piece, which is basically the same thing, and then just stick with me. You will see the final display of this and how I incorporated this into my sister's guest room. The total cost for this DIY would be $15 rounded. To be honest, around $13, but if I have to round it everything, it should be roughly $15. So to me, that is a good deal for 2 wall art, okay? I do have a whole playlist for my wall art decor DIYs on my channel, so if you're into wall art, you may want to check out that playlist. I'll also have that linked in the description box below. Like I had stated earlier, I would strongly recommend you using E6000 glue or Gorilla Glue for this. I just didn't have the time because I was making this at nighttime when I had to leave the following day in the morning. So I did inform my sister to use that to reinforce this. Otherwise, I will use those and then set aside for it to cure properly. However, this is our final look. So these are the wall arts incorporated into my sister's guest room. I loved how it turned out. the pair together. You could have up to 4 or 3 on a particular wall. It's all up to you how you want to have this displayed. Okay, I think this makes the perfect set when you have 2 or more of them versus having just 1. All right, so do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this particular DIY, and so that will bring us to the end of it. If you did enjoy this, please do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.